oh, notice your unique face. Oh, oh, maybe it's a new gaze. Oh, oh, you gave me a long gaze. Need to make the first move, let's go. It's already up with our soul. Now we're dancing so close and more. I'll show you a real show. That you never get, you never get it, you never get, you never get it, you never get, you never time is passing too fast, oh no, I am showing my best for sure. You're sliding on the dance floor. All your moves are so pure. In the night when you dance, oh oh, isn't it a romance? Oh oh, in a million warm chance, oh oh, that you gave me that glance.
I don't know what to do now. Can't look at my phone, cause somehow it knows to remind me that it's over. Oh, I finally blocked your Instagram stories, took down all your pics from the walls. I thought that I'd want somebody to hold me. It's not like me to not move on. 1 month in was horrible, and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then 2, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then 3, I felt like dying, and then 4, I couldn't breathe. 5 months, you're still with me. I still play our songs in the car, and I still check my phone, think you're calling. I still sometimes pretend you're here when you're not. Oh, and I still wear your pure and sweet, red-haired girl, fell in a dream. She fantasized about in another world. She thinks people don't care about time after time, she's growing up. Red-haired girl, found her boy. Now they're happy, soon they will have a son. This is a story about an happy My girl, I'm sorry, I didn't say it in a time. And by the way, did I love you? Didn't know how to explain. Now it's too late, you're up again.
Oh, oh, notice your unique face. Oh, oh, maybe it's a new gaze. Oh, oh, you gave me a long gaze. Need to make the first move, let's go. It's already approved, our soul. Now we're dancing so close and more. I'll show you a real show that you never